Alright, so we're doing something a little different today. Right now, I'm on the way to the parking ride in Zion's Crossroad. I'm about to meet up with my cousin. I'm not sure if he's going to ride with me or I'm going to ride with him. Like I told you in the last vlog, it's only been a few days and I've been at work, so my cars aren't ready. So with the Silica, instead of trying to just figure it out myself, I'm just going to end up taking it to somebody else, since the guy that I work with or works on my cars, his shop, I told you, shop had burnt down, so it's been an inconvenience on my end, and unfortunately for him that he doesn't have a shop anymore. But there's a huge meet tonight, and my hometown is Charlottesville, so we're bringing Richmond to Charlottesville for the first time, so it should be a huge meet tonight, a huge turnout. Pretty sure it's gonna be all kind of different cars. So there was actually a cruise from Richmond, but I didn't join, of course, because I'm already down this way, like right in the middle. But that's gonna be the moves tonight, so it should be an eventful night. And I know it was windy last vlog, but I got my freaking microphone and stuff, so everything should be good with the audio tonight. So, but yeah, that's the moves for tonight. I'm just waiting for them. I'm also gonna have one of my other cousins too. So, and I also had to make one more stop to pick up one of my other friends too. So we're gonna have some more people in the vlog. Can't be solo dolo all the time. But yeah, this should be a fun and eventful vlog. So y'all stay tuned, watch it all the way through. Don't be skipping. Yeah, hopefully we get all the cars up, the Silica back up and running. As far as the Camry, that's okay. I got everything coming in. I got brakes, everything. So we should get the ball rolling on that one soon. So I'm not gonna talk your head off. I'll pick back up with you when I'm with everybody and we're on the way to the meet. So see y'all there. Back at the old giant in Charlottesville. I had no idea it was gonna be here, but we made it. Got a new character in the vlog. I don't know where the hell my cousin went to. He drove somewhere. Look at this. It just started 23 minutes ago. There go this guy. I know y'all gonna catch the wind in the vlog. My damn microphone, I don't even have the adapter to work it through the camera. So, you walking? You see why I say you should have brung it, right? Look. Yeah, you should what, hit? Nah, probably not. But you gotta realize a lot of people buy cars and they not done, they just wanna bring them out. So in another year or two, that shit probably be nice. I'm about to get copyrighted. They got a DJ out here. Food truck.
They're gonna let you see that gun like this.
I'm about to walk down this road first. There's a lot of Charlottesville people up here, but they don't know shit. Hey, you would have got some attention out here with your car. That's what I say. You should have just brung it. In Richmond, it'd be way better though. You see all kind of like Lamborghini, Porsches. I'm telling you, you can tell a big difference. Yo, just walking on down here with a drone. You see the drone flying? You see me? Yeah, you see me? Yo. You see him? Yo, you pocket out. I was trying to figure out where you was going to.
Yeah, I was like, dang.
You see the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And this is weak compared to the ones that we have in Richmond. This ain't that good. This ain't that compared to the ones we have in Richmond. This is small right here. Man, let me find Robbie though. There you go, right here.
We outside.
What's good with you?
You know the vibes.
What's up with you, man?
Doing pretty good, man.
I ain't never seen Charlottesville like this before.
Right?
Hey, and I'm only like 23 minutes from here.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I'm closer to Charlottesville than Richmond, but you know, Richmond be more live.
Yeah, I get my toes here. You gotta start moving around, man.
Yeah, for sure, yeah. Well, you know why, man. People don't know how to fucking act when they come out.
So big, man.
Yeah.
We like literally just the whole
Compared to
area.
like 2 years ago, this shit is crazy.
Yeah, nah, it's dumb.
Now I gotta share them in my club. So this is his me, but I gotta share it in my group. So I'm about to show you. Copyrighted like a big. Hey, you put the wheels on yours and lower it. Put a little intake or something.
Nah.
Pop your hood, you be
I'm
alright.
gonna get something new next week.
Next week,
Nah, at the end of the year. I ain't even put no more money.
when you get your license back.
My shit restricted. I do got a license.
Yeah, but ain't no point in doing that if you can only drive one car right now. What's the point?
Yeah. I know.
Yeah, he got him one too. A DUI.
God damn, man.
Nigga, you was different than mine. You was asleep.
Let me tell him.
He was asleep. I was driving.
Oh, he trying to play me, man.
Hey. So it's not. But he had the Z. He didn't want to bring the Z out. He was like, nah.
I said, pick him up.
Pick him up right here. We supposed to be riding him. I be in the back of the trunk like, hey, we pop out. We out here. Yeah, hell yeah. It's like a party for Charlotte. They're like, come out here. Something different, yo. What? Nah, how you going? I'm going to be out here in the Camry in a couple weeks.
Yeah, well, that junk is like.
What, this one right here?
The trunk reverse.
Oh, yeah, that shit is though. Oh, he gonna pull beside you. Damn, this pollen killing me, yo. Look, keys out here, everything. I ain't never seen no shit like that. Uh-oh. Okay. Got custom tail lights. What is that though? It is? No, that's like the one my mom had. Yeah, my mom had the cream gold.
Her shit was the other one.
Yeah.
The black one was the like.
Oh no. Yeah, that's the one I wanted.
We outside.
Yeah, so in Richmond it'll be like this whole lot right here, but there'll be a whole nother one and then one right here. all of them shits be full. And then when they leave out, they be making pulls through here. This shit be crazy, yo. What's up, man? I ain't gonna lie, this shit is nice. Look, this side is filled up already, huh? You were parked up here. I'm talking about with the bikes. There's normally a group of bikes that come out. I don't think they're gonna come out.
I would do it any which way. Biggest crowd. Excuse me.
Okay, so we about an hour into this smooth, crazy turnout for Charlottesville, no lie. We even got somebody bringing their car out on a freaking tow truck. So I think it's the dude in Corvette. He brought his other car out too, and that's crazy. What happened?
He told me, he was like, bring my shit out here. Y'all
Yeah.
feel like driving.
Yeah, that's him. That's his for sure. What you trying to do, yo? What you trying to do? Set up some runs. I'm looking at that pink Honda over there. I think that's another foursome. You might want it.
I want all that row over there. I don't even know why I need this car. We ain't even straight motors back.
Hey, they seen the Chevy. They said, let me line up beside it. All right, we finna get up out of here. Little quick vlog. About to end it now. I think it's still like an hour or so left to the meet, but we got some stuff lined up, so this is gonna be it. Hope y'all like. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, and until next time.